This is the Hawaiian Islands. We've been here before checking these swells. And this is the massive swell coming for Jaws on Thursday. This is Wednesday, so this is Thursday. It's just a perfect northwest swell. Trying to see how this all fits together. This is an awful day to be trying this because it is so hot. Okay. There's a reason these things are so tight and constricted. Yeah. It's gotta be like 93 degrees outside. This is good training. Okay, we ready? It's me jumping off for a sec. That's what my heart sounds like in my body right now. The Jaws Big Wave Challenge, the PEAHI Challenge, has just been green lit for Thursday, and that means I have to scramble to get all these big boards ready and find out what I'm going to take. I try not to stress too hard about going to surf Jaws again. I had a great event last year. I gotta rinse all these off. So the reason this is outside of my house is because it gave me allergies. So I took it out. I have a good feeling that there's a 9.8 in here. Does it smell weird in there? You smell that? Yep. 9.8. I found the board I've been looking for. Okay, so I think I'm gonna bring 10.0, a 9.8, and I have a brand new 9.6 in the house, but 9.8. Oh, it's right here. See that?
Minor, dude.
Minor, huh?
Yeah, it'll be fine. I think it's just, that's not even a buckle, it's like a crease, if that. Like, that thing has double 6 bottom, double 6 deck, like down to 1/2-inch stringer. Like, I don't think you have anything to worry about. I mean, maybe if like, that's not gonna break any more than it would if it didn't have that, you know what I mean?
Things, huh? There's like not much concave, huh? That's good.
Yeah.
Because when there's concave on big boards, you get going so fast that air gets under you and starts catching and feels like you're going backwards.
Or it gets sticky too, it's like...
Yeah, sticky. I hate this part. I hate this part. It's just living in bugs and rain, and then it gets moldy because of how wet it is. Oh god. Ew. Wow. It's like a satisfying video. The reason I'm taking all this wax off is because they haven't been used in so long that the wax is like got a weird texture to it, like almost a slippery texture. I think I maybe used like cold water wax on them, and it doesn't feel good, so I'm gonna have to take it off and redo it. It's so crazy, like just getting the call that the big wave event is on. I haven't surfed a big wave all season, and the next thing you know, we're just going straight into crazy giant Jaws in a couple days. I know, super nerve-wracking, but I'm excited. So what I'm taking to Maui is a 10.0 for if it's maxing, a 9.8 that I love that I rode last year, and a 9.6 for if it's not as big as we think it's going to be. And they're all going to be great backups either way. They all work really good. And I'm putting 2 boards in a bag, and me and Nate Florence are splitting another bag. So we're going to each have 3 boards, 2, 2, and 2. Yeah, just thinking about surfing big waves, the older I get, I feel like the more comfortable I've gotten, but also the more frightened I've got, because I know, and I've been through enough wipeouts to know that they don't get any better. Like, you think you can handle these wipeouts and all of a sudden you get an even gnarlier one. And you see guys get injured around you, and it's just a really like challenging mental battle. At the same time, it's also what I love to do and like what I am good at. So there's like this joy that comes with it as well, but there's also that side that's like, why am I doing this? But then all of that will go away as soon as you get a good one. You're like, that's why I'm doing it. Like, this is why I surf big waves, because the feeling of making a wave of that size is like no other feeling I've had before. And especially just being next to your friends and in that environment and everything going on, it's just an experience that we'll probably just never forget. I don't know. It's a mix of emotions. It's hard to get excited, and even though it is super exciting, I'm really scared at the same time. I don't even know if that makes sense, but that's all. That's the only way I can describe it. It's really hard to describe. I just want to have a good time and get more barrel than I did last year. Well, at least that's done. We're gonna meet up with the crew and then head to Maui. Eli's coming too, me, Nate, and Eli. Let's go. You ready? Let's go. 2, 3. 3.
Two big heats in the water right now in our overlapping format, especially when you're thinking about the Olympics.
Thank you.
You're good. Get over there.
Dude.
Yeah, I'll see you there.
So late. I'll see you guys on Maui.
Whoa, that was hectic.
That was fucking I was like eating so much red meat. My chick just did a Costco run. She was like, I'm worried, you're eating so much red meat and gnarly food.
The contest is 100% on tomorrow. I think it's a 7:30 a.m. start. Everyone's gonna get there, grab some supplies, go to the safety meeting, and then we're on.
To welcome you to Kahului Airport, Germain and Maui. We'll be touching for the next few moments.
Hey, I made my flight.
Do you have straps? I told them, give me an Escalade, and they gave me this.
Fuck, why not convertible?
Low key here. Good.
Look at this. Goes around about and then take a left.
You know what time it is? As this is Livin team would say, let's get this bread.
Oh,
Fitness
yeah.
bread. Not only
Loaf.
regular bread,
That thing looks
fitness.
dense.
You could use this as a weapon.
Yeah. Oh,
It's a brick.
whack someone with it there.
I think Nate has bigger bread.
Dude, feel this thing.
Oh my god. Wait,
It's honestly
wait,
5
Hey, we
pounds.
bought this last time and it was a little
Feel it.
dry. We bought it last time,
Yeah.
it was a little dry.
That
Oh,
thing
this
feels
one's soft.
dense.
We're gonna all day snack on that thing.
Hello?
Oh, for sure, bring that thing.
Down.
We're gonna get
Hey,
it.
what?
Use as a weapon if need be.
That's what I just said. This
We
thing
just
is.
had another one like that.
We're as cool as it gets.
Cool as a cucumber.
Stay gravy, baby.
Cool. Nate's as cool as a little.
Go arouse his friends like that.
Nate puts all his recycle bottles all over my truck, in everywhere. Couldn't even get in my truck the other day.
Uncle James, bro.
Oily truck, bro.
James, my boy.
Yeah, bud.
I'm off.
You guys rock hopping tomorrow morning?
Yes.
Rock hopping?
Yeah.
What are you doing? I'm the very first heat.
I'm going to ski.
What should I do?
Ski and I got boat for boards.
We just showed up to the safety meeting. They go over like how the day is gonna go and like with the safety, how the safety's gonna work, and there's a helicopter and stuff, and we're gonna go through all that right now and drop our surfboards off, and they put them on our own heat boats. And then I personally get seasick, so I don't go out on a boat or a jet ski. I don't want to be out there all day, so I put these on the boat and then jump, climb down the cliff, jump off the rocks, and then swim out, hopefully get picked up by a water safety, and then put my stuff together out there before my heat. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Fitting 3 boards in this bag is gonna work. Going very slim. Here we got our own jerseys. Ready.
Rothman.
Oh wait.
These guys don't surf to the end of the day.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, so actually there's gonna be different boats per heat, so you're gonna be fine.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna.
Okay, we're good.
Kuipo. Shh.
I'm gonna jump from
Bird
the
wants
rock.
to scram. Thank you guys. Game plan is, it's early, and we are going to head down to Jaws right now and have a very eventful day. The buoys are big, so that means the waves are gonna be big, and we have some exciting, scary stuff to look forward to. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super nervous. Super nervous. Nothing like those super early mornings, huh? I think it's really big right now. Actually, I know it's really big. Those buoy readings are psycho. Oh, that's a huge wave. That's probably a funny thing right now. That was a really large wave. You can't really tell exactly how big it is, but it looks large. Oh, look at how sick. Can you see that? It looks like the sun. Oh my God. So the game plan for today, I'm the 4th heat, so that's the last heat of the 1st round. And I'm just gonna wait and watch it and try to take some deep breaths and relax, and I don't know, just I'm really excited for what today is gonna bring. I just hope everyone stays safe, you know?
Hey, good morning, Lacey. The situation just got real. The surfers started showing up, the boards are being unloaded, impact vests are being put on, and we can still hear the booming surf. One of the guys who made the finals last year, of course, North Shore guy, Rothman. Koa, you made the finals last year. The conditions much different from this year. What are you seeing right now?
Yeah, this year, or what I can see right now with the sun being where it is, it looks bigger than the day they had a full day of running, and a little less windy, but that could all change throughout the day, so I don't know, it's just exciting. I just want the sun to come out so we can see the waves already.
Yeah.
So yeah, our video will be out next week, probably Wednesday. Or we might drop this one a little earlier, so you look for that.
All right. This is Livin, Cor Rothman. Good luck, Cor.
Thank you so much for having me.
All right. Well, we'll see him out there. We'll track him throughout the morning.
Everyone meet Koa.
What's up, everyone?
So, talk us through your adrenaline right now.
Oh, so we're here? I can't explain it.
We just heard a wave and it's shaking the ground right now. Back to you, Koa.
I have no words.
What do we do with our hands? Dude, we're gonna freaking turn the show upside down. Yeah, I'm gonna head down. Good luck. That last set was huge, bro.
That was a big wave.
Go super zen, but be tactical. Yeah, choose them.
Remember, you're in a heat too.
Yeah, just really good waves. Mid-size west one, just blow guys. Really huge waves.
2 waves back to back.
Still like deep. No, it's right there in that. Oh yeah.
Like in the middle.
Okay, buddy. See you guys.
See you out there.
Hey, that's good. Let's go.
It's paddleable. It's just the last one we saw was just a crazy barrel, and we're rewatching it. And we don't really know if we can get into it. I don't really know what drives me to put myself in waves like this.
Not sure it's explainable.
It's an unexplainable feeling. I think I talked about this earlier.
Mental instability?
Yeah.
One of the factors.
I have no idea why. It's fun.
It'll be fun, they said.
Oh, just go pal out at giant jaws. You'll be fine, trust me.
Conditions are oily.
Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Guys are going down right now. We can see the waves right there, and then we can watch it right here on TV. Makua and Eli are in this heat. First heat. They're stoked. They get to get the butterflies out already. Dude, that was so gnarly.
Out over the lip. There's not much you can do about it. I mean, look at this. The wind gets underneath. He's trying to push it down the face, but realizes no, it is way too vertical. Look, that's momentum.
Want to talk about it?
It would be one that's going to align through those spots.
I think it's time. Go. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Good luck, man. Thank you. Fuck yeah.
looking over and they'll keep doing it.
Climbing. Oh my god. Shocker of a second heat there. Just couldn't pull it together. Next year. A little disappointed in my performance. Whatever. I'm not injured. I got a good pounding in my first heat. It was pretty nuts. I pulled 2 canisters. It's cool, yeah. Nate, Billy, and Makua are all in the final. Billy actually held me off a wave in my last heat that maybe would have allowed me to make that heat, but whatever. Oh my god. Oh my god. My journey continues. The wind out there is so scary. You'll be like taking off on a wave and you feel your board just fluttering. It's like this. You're like, oh, and then you like finally feel your fins catch perfectly, or like good enough to turn. Oh, thank you. Teamwork. Well, I didn't really get the result I was hoping for. Like last year I made the final. I was hoping to do better than that. I feel like I made a few mistakes. I sat for way too long. At my last heat I was like sitting there and they're like 15 minutes left. I'm like, haven't caught a wave. I'm like, wait, 30 minutes already went by? It was just a show, and then I caught 2 okay ones. I needed something to make it. Just whatever. Oh my god, my first heat I got so pounded on a wave. I was like about to pull in. I don't know if I should have, but I can't see backside. Because when you take off backside out there, it's so much different than taking off frontside. I'm just comparing it to how Fiji looks, like big cloud break. You can see like this whole wall and like what the wave is about to do. But backside, when you're like this and you're really looking straight just to make sure you're not gonna hit any chops and like deal with the wind, by the time you look up, you can't really like see the top of where the wave is gonna break. So it's really difficult to position yourself into a barrel on a big wave backside because you can't see the lip coming. Whereas front side, you can see like, oh, this thing's gonna barrel. Billy won the contest for the 4th time.
For Pete.
4th time. This contest is ran like 6 times.
Tight. That was a good day, boys.
Everyone had a really good time, actually.
We need an ice cold beer.
Did we go full send right now, straight to the airport?
Yeah, we're not going anywhere for a little bit. We gotta go hunt our boards on. Oh, my brand new 10L, Paizo, if you're watching this, is in pieces on the rocks, but it works really good. R.I.P. 1 board down. Lights out. A lot of shoulder. Nate's gonna eat that.
This hasn't been touched all day. It's 3 o'clock.
Put it on the dash with just oven bakes.
No, we don't want it hot.
Why?
Let's eat this thing, huh? Things are so frustrating. I would call this a successful trip. Every one of my friends is here, alive and thriving. Might not have got the results I wanted to get, but Nate did well. We'll be back for the next swell, and yeah, we'll see you soon, Maui. Thank you everyone for having us. Thank you.
Oh, cool. I'm so proud of you guys.
Thank you for having us.
You guys get too much big balls. Real barrel. Wow.
He helps put the whole thing on.
Yeah, it was good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Hey, you know what? This is a good contest, guys. Yeah, we're gonna keep them.
Great.
Hey, how you like that? First time I see big wave. That means it's waves, you know, because usually intervals.
There's a lot of
long, yeah. Oh, it was me. Heavy wave. You guys like